Sadly, it looks like another year for Austin Forkner is over. If you missed it, that's the crash from Arlington that sent him out of first place and looks like at least ended his Supercross probably this year. And his father, Mike Forkner, on Instagram said, quote, "Injury update, Austin's CT scan on his head came back good. Fractured L3 and 4 in back, but no surgery, has to heal on its own. He has a broken scapula, which will heal on its own, so no surgery. They have been discharged from the hospital and heading back to California. Thank you for checking on Austin." Uh, he did say also, on a side note, that apparently one of Austin Forkner's contacts fell out mid-race, so who knows if that was a factor for this crash, but it sucks. I mean, he looked super fast this year. He looked first race, second race. He looked like the guy that was going to finally put it together and win a championship. And then something like this happens. And it's absolutely insane, too, the fact that they, one, picked him up and made him walk to the mule. And I see a lot of people on Twitter or X whatever saying like, "Oh, it's such a badass move. He got up and walked to it." It's like, no, it's a stupid move. The fact that the medical personnel don't take the time to think, "Ooh, well, maybe we have it. We should put him on the backboard and bring him to the mule and then be safe about it." Because, like, think about it. He broke 2 vertebrae and they made him stand up and walk. Like, obviously they didn't know that at the time, but why not err on the side of caution? Why not put him on a back brace, carry him over to the mule, and just eliminate the possibility of furthering injury? I don't understand why they don't do it. It's just, to me, it's mind-boggling. But hopefully, he heals up quickly and everything's fine. No lingering issues or anything from this, and we get to see him, in motocross. Maybe, I don't know how long this is going to take, and it just sucks to see. The PC curse, or his curse alone, whatever, is every single year he doesn't seem to be able to make it through a season. And whether that's being hit by somebody else, the whole Jet Lawrence crash, or just, him crashing himself every year. It sucks to see. And who knows where this goes, because he's been on the PC bike for 7 years now, something like that. And, hasn't won a championship, is getting older. Who knows if they stay with him next year, or where his contract falls, and from there where he goes, because it's kind of the Adam Cianciarulo thing. Super talented, very fast, but always injured. Who wants to pay, big name? He's gonna probably want a big contract or money wise, and who's gonna want to pay for it? I don't know. It sucks to see. This year should have been his year, and I don't know. In the comments below, you guys tell me. Do you think Deegan now has a free run to the championship? Do you think he might make it back? If you have had a back injury and you know this thing, how long does it take? Comment down below. Or whatever it is. Comment whatever you think. Did you like Arlington? Are you excited for this season? Do you like how it's going? Whatever it is. Comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does help me a lot. And I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.